Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Today I'm bringing you guys this smoky eyeliner with a pop of shimmer type of look, and yeah, let's jump right into the video. So the palette I'm using today is Sweet Valentine by Lurella Cosmetics. I'm going in with the shade Passion and I'm just applying it as if it was my eyeliner. I did forget to film the part where I prime my eyes, but I basically just applied some concealer and I used the Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer and just blended it out. Now I'm going in with the shade Flowers and I'm using a pencil brush. I'm just going to be applying it right above the Passion shade and I'm going to be blending them out together. I'm picking up more of Passion and I'm using a blending brush. I'm just going to be applying it on top of the two shades and just blending everything together. Since the pink shade is kind of fading away, I picked up a clean brush and I picked up a little bit of the flower shade and I'm just blending it all towards my crease. And to clean up my eyeliner, I'm using a makeup remover wipe, and this is by Neutrogena. And I'm using this shimmery shade. I don't know how to pronounce the name. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply it with my finger all over my eyelid in dabbing motions. For lashes, I'm using these Cavalli Lash, and these are in the style Dream. So I'm gonna curl my eyelashes first, and then I'll be applying the falsies, and the glue that I use is by Kiss Products, and this is the clear one. Now I'm just going to apply a little bit of eyeliner to my waterline, and this is actually a brow bone highlighter, but I use it as an eyeliner. Now I'm picking up a little bit of Passion and I'm just going to blend it across my bottom lash line, and right on top of it I'm also going to be applying a little bit of a flower shade and just blend those shades together. And for my inner corner, I'm going in with Soulmate and I'm just going to apply it with a small detail brush. To line my lips, I am using this Italia Deluxe Ultra Fine Eyeliner in the shade Dark Brown. And to fill in my lips, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Ashton. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!